Welcome to the ArbiMate tutorial, Check Multiple. To search for multiple items at the same time, ArbiMate offers a function called Check Multiple, and you can just click that in the sidebar here. With this, you can paste in the field multiple URLs for various products, and then just click Search. And in just a moment, ArbiMate will compile a summary list below that you can compare the various products very quickly. And you can filter these by profit margin for convenience. So you can see here are the items that were found on Walmart and Amazon. Ones that were not located on Amazon are not reported here because we filtered them out. But you can see the check mark means that it's an exact UPC match, which is really important for fulfillment. If it's not an exact UPC match, it may not be the exact product, and you may run into customer satisfaction issues if they are sent the wrong product. So be sure to check that the UPC is exact with the green check mark. And then, of course, also we want to be sure that the profit margin is satisfactory to us. In this case, $114 seems quite satisfactory for a single transaction. Thank you very much for watching, and we hope you find the best arbitrages with ArbiMate.